Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing another one. We're gonna be doing like early clubs. Oh wait, we already did that. Best football player. Oh yeah. Let's see. Cavani's going and like beat him. I don't think he's that good. I like the small one. It says I'm putting them in there too. Steve. I'm first screen is going straight in S tier, down, up. Yeah, he must see a lot. Modric is going in S tier as well. Neymar's going down here. His acting skills. Okay, De Bruyne is going up here because he was absolutely horrible in the game against Liverpool. Suarez now it's going like a B tier. I'm thinking A tier. I'm not gonna do S tier because they beat us again, Manchester City. Busquets, even though he plays for okay, I'm gonna put him in A tier, but just because he used to play for Basel, so who is this? I'm in S tier. You're gonna get put in A tier. Mbappe, S tier. This guy? Yeah, let's put him in C tier. We don't know who he is, but he could be a really good football player. Wait, where would they go? Put him in C tier. Lewandowski are going to go in A tier just because Harry Kane's about to break a record in a total of 12 goals. He has to score at least another hat-trick, which would be 5 hat-tricks. Then, I won't do that. Let's put him in S tier. Aguero S. Pogba C. Harry Kane's going straight in S tier. He's like the greatest player of all time. Who is that? I'm just gonna put random players I don't know in S tier. This guy's going in S tier. Kane and Son are unfinishable thing. The reason he didn't win because of well, I think I know why. It's because of the defense. The defense, and I'm not winning any trophies. Like, to the absolute. Yeah, I've never seen that guy in my life, so I'm gonna put in indeed. Kimmich is going in S tier. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Another short video. We will be making another one. So, yeah.